How to manage push notifications on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage push notifications on Word Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Word and then go here, click on your profile and go down and click this one and then click this one, push notifications. And now all you need to do is just here select anything you want, or click this one to turn everything off. And that's how turn off push notifications on Word Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.